Hello everyone, welcome back to Neej Education. This is third lesson of 5th standard, factors and multiples. Till now, we learnt about factors, multiples, prime numbers, composite number and how to do prime factorization, right? Today, we are going to learn very important topic, common factors and HCF, highest common factors. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. So let's start today's part with learning common factors. Okay, what does it mean by common factors? Let's consider two numbers 12 and 18. Let's find factors of 12 and 18. So what are factors of 12? 1 12s are 12. Okay, so 1 and 12 are factors of 12. 3 4s are 12. So 3 and 4 are factors of 12. Okay, 2 6 are 12. So 2 and 6 are factors of 12. Okay, so we have written all the factors of 12. Let me write these factors in ascending order. 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. Okay, so all these numbers are factors of 12. Now let's find out factors of 18. How do we get 18? First of all, 18 ones are 18. Okay, so if we multiply 1 and 18, we get 18. Then 9 2s are 18. Okay, or 2 9s are 18. So 9 and 2 are factors of 18. Then 3 6 are 18. Okay, or 6 3s are 18. So 3 and 6 are factors of 18. Is there any other way to find out 18? No, we have written all the possible factors of 18. Okay, now let me write all the factors in ascending order. 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. Okay, so dear students, we found out factors of 12 and factors of 18. Now in the both of the numbers factor, what are common factors? You can see 1 is here and 1 is also here. Okay, so 1, 2 is here, 2 is also here, so 2, 3 is here, 3 is also here, so 3. Then 4 is here. Is there 4? No. 6? Yes, there is 6. So 6 is also common. Then 12. Okay, so 12 यहाँ पे भी नहीं है और यहाँ पे है 9 और 18 जो यहाँ पे नहीं है. ओके, सो कॉमन फैक्टर यानी कि सामान्य फैक्टर, दो नंबर्स या दो से ज़्यादा नंबर्स के फैक्टर में जो फैक्टर सामान्य हो उसे कहते हैं कॉमन फैक्टर्स. ओके, सो देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन लाइक find common factors of 12 and 18, then you have to find factors of 12, then you have to find factors of 18, then you have to write common factor. So you will write like this: common factors of 12 and 80 are 1 2 3 6. Okay, 1 2 3 6. Okay, so it's easy to find common factors. Right? Now let's learn about highest common factor. Dear student, now let's learn about highest common factor. In short, we call it HCF. Okay, H for highest, C for common and F for factors. Okay, so highest common factor, which is very important topic of this chapter. It is important, but also it is very easy. How to find highest common factor? Let's take one example. Let's find factors of 12 and 16. Okay, so what are factors of 12? Factors of 12 are 1 12s are 12, right? So 1 and 12. 3 4s are 12. Okay, so 3 and 4. 6 2s are 12. So 6 and 2. Okay, is there any other way to find 12? No. So these all are possible factors of 12. Okay, now let's find out factors of 16. 16 ones are 16, right? So 1 and 16. 8 2s are 16. Okay, so 8 and 2. 4 4s are 16. Okay, so 4, and we don't have to write 4 again, we have already written 4. Okay, so is there any other way to find 16? No. So all these are factors of 16. Now which are common factors? We can see 1 and 1. Both of the side are 1, so 1 is common. Any other? 2. Yes, 2 is common. Okay. 4 also is common. Okay. So 4 is common factor. Now is there any other number which are common? No. 3, 12, here is 16, 8. So we have written all the common factors of 12 and 16. Now among the common factors, among these three factors, which number is greatest or which number is highest? You can see 4 is the greatest, or you can say highest. So HCF of 12 and 16 is 4. Okay, highest common factor of 12 and 16 is 4. So you can write answer like HCF of 12 and 16 is 4. Okay, so finding HCF of two numbers is very easy, right? Is there anything which seems hard? No. हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर यानी कि दो या दो से ज़्यादा नंबर्स के हम कॉमन फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करें और उन सभी फैक्टर्स में जो फैक्टर सबसे बड़ा होगा वो होगा हमारा हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. हाईएस्ट यानी कि सबसे बड़ा. कॉमन फैक्टर तो हमने ऑलरेडी पढ़ा कि कैसे फाइंड आउट करना है. और हाईएस्ट यानी कि उन फैक्टर्स में से जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर होगा वो होगा हमारा हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर HCF. सो फाइंडिंग HCF इज़ वेरी इजी, राइट? So children, there are two methods of finding HCF, prime factorization method and using division method. So let's learn about it. So dear students, as I told you, there are two methods of finding HCF. First is prime factorization that we are going to learn now, and second is division method. Okay, that is also we are going to learn. Both methods are very easy. I don't know why some students find it very difficult to find HCF by these two methods. Both are very easy. Let's learn it by one example. Let's do prime factorization of 18 and 27. Okay, how to do prime factorization? That we learned in our previous part of this chapter. If you haven't watched it, then I recommend you to watch it, because learning prime factorization is important to learn this. Okay, so let's do prime factorization of 18. Okay, now we will start with the smallest prime number, which is 2. Okay, we can divide 18 by 2. What we get? 9. 9 2s are 18. Okay, 9 2s are 18. Now we cannot divide 9 by 2. We need to divide 9 by 3. Okay, 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Okay, now let's divide 3 by 3, which is 1. So 3 1s are 3. So we will divide number till we get 1 in the end. Okay, so we have find out all the prime factors of 18. So 18 equal to 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Okay, now let's do prime factorization of 27. So we cannot divide 27 by 2 because in 2's table 27 will not come. Okay, 2 के टेबल में 27 नहीं आएंगे. That is why we cannot divide 27 by 2. But we can divide 27 by 3. Okay, and 9 3s are 27. Right? Now 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Okay, so all the prime factors of 27, 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Now what we have to do? We have to find common factors from both of the side. Okay, 2 is here. Is there 2? No. Okay, 3 is here. Is there 3? Yes, there is 3 here, and again 3 is here, so there is 3 also. So यहाँ पे भी 2 3 है, वहाँ पे भी 2 3 है, और कोई नंबर कॉमन है नहीं है. यहाँ पे 2 है और वहाँ पे 3 है. तो अब हमें क्या करना है? जितने भी हमें कॉमन नंबर्स मिले उनका हमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. ओके, सो यहाँ पे ये 2 3 कॉमन मिले तो इन दोनों का हमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. सो 3 3s are 9. ओके, सो व्हाट इज HCF of 18 and 27? it's 9. Okay, again step 1, we have to do prime factorization of given number. Okay, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करने के बाद आपको वो प्राइम फैक्टर्स लिखने हैं ऐसे, फिर उनमें से कॉमन कौन से हैं वो फाइंड आउट करने हैं, और फिर कॉमन फाइंड आउट करने के बाद उनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. ओके, so this is how we are going to find HCF by prime factorization. Let's take one more example for it. Dear students, look at this example. Find the HCF of 60, 72, 102 by prime factorization method. Okay, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन यूज करके हमें इन तीन नंबर्स का HCF फाइंड आउट करना है. HCF यानी कि हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. इन थ्री नंबर्स के फैक्टर्स में से कौन सा नंबर, कौन सा फैक्टर सबसे हाईएस्ट है, यानी कि कौन सा फैक्टर सबसे बड़ा है, वो फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो लेट्स फाइंड प्राइम फैक्टर्स फर्स्ट. सो स्टार्ट विथ 60. If we divide 60 by 2, what we get? 30. Okay, 30 2s are 60. If we divide 30 by 2, what we get? 15. 15 2s are 30. Okay, dear students, we will write prime numbers only here. Okay, we can divide 60 by another number like 10. 10 6 are 60, but we have to find prime factor. That is why we will use prime numbers only here. Okay, now 15, we cannot divide 15 by 2, we will divide 15 by 3. 5 3s are 15. Okay, and last is 5. 5 1s are 5. Okay, so prime factors of 16 equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Okay, now let's do prime factorization of 72. If we divide 72 by 2, we get 36. Okay, so 36 2s are 72. We know that 18 2s are 36. Okay, so we will divide 36 by 18. Now 9 2s are 18, right? So we will divide 18 by 2, we get 9. Now we know that 3 3s are 9. Okay, and last 3 1s are 3. So what are prime factors of 72? Prime factors of 72 are 2 2 2 3 3. Okay, now let's find prime factors of 102. So if we divide 102 by 2, you get 51. Okay, now we know that 17 3s are 51. Okay, so we will divide 51 by 3, we get 17, and 17 is prime number that we know, so we can divide 17 by 17 only. Okay, so 17 1s are 17. Okay, so what are prime factors of 102? Prime factors of 102 equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 17. Okay, so dear students, we found prime factors of these three numbers. Now we have to find which are common factors. Okay, so here is 2, here is also 2, here is also 2. So 2 is common. Okay, here is 2 again, here is 2 again, and but here is not 2. यहाँ पे 2 नहीं है, इसलिए 2 नहीं आ सकता. Here is 3. Okay, here is also 3, and here is 3 again. So 3 is also common, right? Remember, we have to do multiplication of common factors. Now here is 5. Okay, but यहाँ पे 5 नहीं है और यहाँ पे भी 5 नहीं है, एंड यहाँ पे जो अदर नंबर्स है वो यहाँ पे नहीं है. सब में कॉमन कौन से हैं? 2 और 3 आर कॉमन है इन तीनों नंबर्स के प्राइम फैक्टर्स में. तो हम इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे. 2 3s are 6. Okay, so this is our answer. 6 is HCF of 60, 72, 102. Easy, right? So dear students, we learned how to find HCF using prime factorization method. It was easy, right? But the only drawback of this method is it is easy, it is nice for small numbers only. What if there is a large number and there are a lot of prime factors of that large number? Then it is not that much useful. But it was easy, right? Now let's learn our second method by using division. Okay, so let's start. Now dear students, second method of finding HCF is using division method. Okay, this method is called continued division method. Okay, now what is it? Let's find it out by using one example. Now let's find out common factors of 75 and 275. Remember, in this method we have to divide larger number with the smaller number. Okay, here larger number is 275, which we are going to divide by 75. So we will write division like this. Okay, so let's start division. Now we don't know table of 75, but we know that 75 ones are 75. Okay, 75 2s are 2 5s are 10. Okay, so 0, let's carry over 1, 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1 15. Okay, again we can do 75 3s are 3 5s are 15. Okay, 15, let's carry over 1, 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 1 22. Okay, so 7 3 3s are 225. Now if we do 74s, then that number is going to increase than 275. Okay, so we will write 75 3s are 225. Okay, now we will not write 3 here, but we will write 3 here. Okay, 75 3s are 225. Now let's do subtraction. What do we get? 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 2 5, 2 minus 2 0. Okay, again 275 को हम 75 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हम इस डिवीज़न को ऐसे लिखेंगे. अब हमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन से पता चलेगा कि 75 को 3 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 225 मिलेंगे. ओके, अगर 75 का हम 4 के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे तो वो नंबर 275 से बड़ा होगा, इसलिए वो हम नहीं लिख सकते, इसलिए हम लिखेंगे 275. अगेन 3 को हमें यहाँ पे नहीं लिखना है, यहाँ पे साइड में लिखना है. ओके, और चिल्ड्रन हम तब तक डिवीज़न करेंगे जब तक हमें लास्ट में 0 नहीं मिल जाता. ओके, तो यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर क्या है? व्हाट इज़ द रिमाइंडर? 50. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिवाइड डिविजर बाय द रिमाइंडर. ओके, हम डिविजर को यानी कि 75 को रिमाइंडर यानी कि 50 से डिवाइड करेंगे. ओके, दिस इज आवर नेक्स्ट स्टेप. सो लेट्स डू इट. Let's write this 75 here. Okay, now 51s are 50, 52s are 100. Now 100 is greater than 75, so we will write 51s are 50. Okay, let's do subtraction. What do we get? 5 minus 0 5, 7 minus 5 2. Okay, now let's divide the divisor with remainder. Okay, what is remainder? 25. And what was new divisor? 50. Okay, so let's divide 50 by 25, which is remainder. So 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50. Okay, so 25 twos are 50. Now let's do subtraction. What do we get? 50 minus 50, 0. So we got 0 in the end. So what is our HCF? हमारा HCF क्या है? जो लास्ट डिवाइजर हमें मिला वो है हमारा HCF. ओके, और लास्ट डिवाइजर कौन सा था? 25. ओके, सो 25 इज HCF of 75 and 275. So this method is easier for larger numbers, right? Now dear students, look at this one more example. Find the HCF of 350 and 385 by continued division method. Okay, हमें 350 और 385 का HCF फाइंड आउट करना है, यानी कि हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर यूजिंग कंटिन्यूड डिवीजन मेथड. डिवीजन मेथड है बट कंटिन्यूड. व्हाट डज इट मीन? इट मीन्स कि रिमाइंडर मिलने के बाद हम डिवीजन करना रोकते नहीं, हम डिवीजन कंटिन्यू करते हैं बाय यूजिंग दैट रिमाइंडर एज अ डिवाइजर. ओके, एज वी सो इन द प्रीवियस एग्जांपल, राइट? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग दिस सम. 385, we are going to divide larger number with the smaller number. 385 that we are going to divide with 350. Here 350 is divisor, okay? So 350 multiplied by 1, we get 350, which is very near to 385. So if we multiply 350 with 2, then the number we are going to get will be larger than this number, okay? 350 का हम 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे तो हमें 350 मिलेगा, अगर 2 के साथ करेंगे तो जो नंबर मिलेगा वो इस नंबर से बड़ा होगा, क्योंकि 350 और 385 बहुत ही नियर है, ओके? सो 350 multiplied by 1, we get 350, okay? Now let's do subtraction. 5 minus 0, 5. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 minus 3, 0, okay? So 35 is remainder. So we are going to divide 350 by 35. So our remainder is divisor now, okay? So we will write 350 here, okay? Now we know that 35 tens are 350, okay? 35 tens are 350, okay? So here remainder is 0. If you subtract 350 from 350, you get 0, right? So what is HCF? The last divisor is our HCF, okay? Which is 35. जो नंबर लास्ट डिवाइजर था, जिस नंबर से हमने लास्ट में डिवीजन किया था, वो है हमारा HCF, ओके? और यहाँ पे है 35. So children, we are going to write answer like this. HCF of 350 and 385 is 35, right? So dear students, we learned how to find common factors, okay? And then we learned how to find highest common factor, HCF. And also we learned two methods of finding HCF, which is prime factorization method and second is continued division method. And both the methods are very easy. You have to practice some examples to learn it better. कॉमन फैक्टर्स यानी कि दो या दो से ज़्यादा नंबर्स के फैक्टर्स में जो नंबर्स कॉमन हो, जो फैक्टर्स कॉमन हो, उसे कहते हैं कॉमन फैक्टर. और हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर यानी कि वो फैक्टर्स में जो फैक्टर सबसे बड़ा हो, जो नंबर सबसे बड़ा हो, वो होगा हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर, ओके? प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन में हमें सबसे पहले प्राइम फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करना है, फिर जो प्राइम फैक्टर्स कॉमन हो गए उसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है, तब जाके हमें HCF मिलेगा. और कंटिन्यूड मेथड में कैसे HCF फाइंड आउट करना है ये हमने अभी देखा, ओके? हम तब तक डिवीज़न करेंगे जब तक हमें लास्ट में 0 नहीं मिल जाता, और हमें 0 मिले तो जो लास्ट डिवीज़र था हमारा वो है हमारा HCF. सो इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू फाइंड HCF, राइट? Dear students, that's it for today. In the last part of this chapter, we will learn common multiples and lowest common multiple, LCM, okay? So don't forget to subscribe this channel if you don't want to miss it. And also students, in the playlist of class 5 maths, you will find every chapter of 5th standard, okay? Please check it out if you want to learn more chapters of 5th class. And also we are going to complete whole syllabus here. So subscribe this channel and keep watching our videos. Thank you.